Here are some amazing facts about fancy mouse. Origins: fancy mice are descendants of the common house mouse. Scientific name: their scientific name is Mus musculus. Lifespan: they typically live for 1.5 to 3 years. Size: adult fancy mice are about 5 to 8 inches long, including their tail. Weight: they usually weigh between 0.5 to 1 ounce. Color varieties: there are many color varieties, including white, black, brown, and gray. Pattern varieties: patterns include solid, spotted, banded, and more. Coat types: they can have different coat types like smooth, satin, long-haired, and curly. Breeding: fancy mice have been bred for centuries for their diverse appearances. Exhibitions: they are often shown in pet shows and exhibitions. Social animals: fancy mice are very social and thrive in groups. Intelligence: they are intelligent and can be trained to perform simple tasks. Senses: they have poor eyesight but excellent hearing and smell. Diet: their diet consists of seeds, grains, fruits, and vegetables. Nocturnal: fancy mice are primarily nocturnal. Agility: they are agile climbers and jumpers. Reproduction: female mice can give birth to litters of 6 to 12 pups. Gestation: the gestation period is about 19 to 21 days. Weaning: pups are weaned at about 3 to 4 weeks of age. Tail function: their tails help with balance and temperature regulation. Communication: mice communicate through ultrasonic sounds. Territorial: male mice can be territorial and may fight. Marking: they use scent glands to mark their territory. Enrichment: they need toys and activities to keep them mentally stimulated. Cleaning: mice are clean animals and groom themselves frequently. Disease research: they are widely used in scientific research. Genetics: mice share about 95% of their genes with humans. Companionship: they can form strong bonds with their owners. Housing: mice need a spacious, well-ventilated cage. Chewing: their teeth grow continuously, so they need things to chew on. Escape artists: they can squeeze through very small gaps. Temperature sensitivity: they are sensitive to extreme temperatures. Breeding ethics: responsible breeding practices are essential to prevent health issues. Color genetics: coat color and pattern inheritance is complex and well studied. History: fancy mice were first domesticated in China around 1100 BC. Popularity: they became popular pets in Victorian England. Mouse fancying: the National Mouse Club was founded in England in 1895. Feeding: they enjoy variety in their diet, including occasional treats. Hydration: fresh water must always be available. Health checks: regular health checks are important to catch issues early. Common ailments: they can suffer from respiratory infections and tumors. Lifespan extension: good care can help extend their lifespan. Environmental enrichment: providing hiding places and nesting materials is important. Breeding seasons: mice can breed year-round in captivity. Pheromones: they use pheromones for communication. Behavioral studies: mice are used in studies on behavior and psychology. Exercise: exercise wheels help keep them fit. Memory: they have good spatial memory and can remember routes. Curiosity: mice are naturally curious and enjoy exploring. Adaptability: they can adapt to various environments. Color preferences: they are attracted to certain colors and can distinguish between them. Genetic mutations: there are numerous mutations that affect coat color and pattern. Ethology: mice are often studied to understand animal behavior. Predators: in the wild, they are preyed upon by birds, snakes, and other animals. Domestication effects. Domesticated mice are generally less fearful than wild mice. Bonding. Gentle handling helps form bonds with their owners. Sense of time. They have a circadian rhythm, despite being nocturnal. Breeding records. Keeping detailed records is important for breeders. Tameability. Mice can be tamed with patience and gentle handling. Play. Young mice engage in play fighting and chasing. Stress signs. Signs of stress include fur loss and excessive grooming. Bedding. Paper-based bedding is often recommended for their cages. Vocalizations. They produce various vocalizations, some inaudible to humans. Whiskers. Their whiskers are sensitive and help them navigate. Community living. Female mice generally get along better than males. Color standards. Breeders follow color and pattern standards for shows. Companion animals. They are popular pets due to their size and low maintenance. Learning. Mice can learn simple tricks, like running through mazes. Enclosure types. Tanks, wire cages, and plastic cages are common. Cultural impact. Mice have appeared in folklore, literature, and as beloved cartoon characters.